Today, I want to show you a real and honest way people earn money from home. This video is not about shortcuts, scams, or fake online promises. Everything you will hear is based on real skills, real work, and real systems. I will explain how people slowly build up to $5,000 per month. And yes, this can be done while working only 5 focused hours a day. This is not an overnight success story, and that honesty matters. Real income is built with patience, consistency, and the right direction. Most people fail online because they quit before results appear. The people who succeed are not special, they are simply consistent. Now let me show you the system that makes all of this possible. The foundation of this method is not one income stream, but multiple. Depending on only one income source is risky in today's world. Multiple income streams create stability, safety, and long-term growth. The first income stream we focus on is freelancing. Freelancing means selling your skills to clients online. If you can edit videos, design thumbnails, write scripts, or use AI tools, you are valuable. These skills are already in high demand across the internet. You do not need to be perfect to start freelancing. You only need to be willing to learn and improve every day. Now let's talk about numbers instead of motivation. Charging $20 per hour is realistic for beginners. Working 5 hours per day creates steady progress. Working 25 days per month keeps balance and focus. This alone can generate around $2,500 monthly. As your skills improve, your hourly rates naturally increase. More experience means better clients and higher income. Freelancing builds fast income but requires active work. That is why we add a second income stream. The second income stream is YouTube content creation. You do not need to show your face on camera. You do not need expensive equipment to get started. AI tools make content creation easier than ever before. AI voice, simple visuals, and strong ideas are enough. At first, growth on YouTube is slow, but consistency changes everything over time. After months of uploads, income becomes predictable. YouTube can generate $1,000 to $2,000 per month. This income can continue even when you are not working. That makes YouTube a semi-passive income stream. Now let's move to the smartest income stream of all. The third income stream is digital products. Digital products are created once and sold many times. These products solve specific problems for real people. Even a $10 product can be powerful. 10 sales per day can create strong monthly income. Digital products can add around $1,000 monthly. This income grows without extra daily effort. Now we combine all 3 income streams together. Freelancing brings about $2,500 per month. YouTube adds around $1,500 per month. Digital products add $1,000 per month. Together, this system reaches $5,000 per month. Now let's talk about the daily 5-hour routine. 2 hours are dedicated to freelancing work. 1 hour is used to improve your skills. 1 hour goes into YouTube content creation. 1 hour is used to build digital products. 5 focused hours beat long and exhausting workdays. If you are serious about changing your income, start today.